G'day, my name's WasAJ, and today's side hustle demonstration is to do with smart shopping or mystery shopping. The app I'm going to use today is called Smart Shopper. You can get it off Android Play or your Apple iTunes store. So without further delay, I'm going to hop in my car and show you how easy it is to make some cash. Okay, so once you've downloaded the app, you've logged in, you've created an account, this is the screen that's going to come up. Here we have different tasks that you can select. Let's have a look at a couple of these. Cereal milker. Okay, let's click on one close by. 5.7 kilometers at Grand Central. I believe that's a cafe at a church in Elizabeth. And you can read there. What you need to do is to get a serial number of a fridge and answer a few questions. With this one, there's 7 photos. Sorry, there's actually a few photos and a few questions, 7 all up. So that wouldn't take you too long to do. And you get between $4 and $7. So if you get all the photos and answer all the questions, you'll get $7. If you only take some of the photos and answer some of the questions, you'll only get $4. And I imagine that wouldn't take long to do. Go out of that, look at another one. Who let the bars out? So this is the one that I'm going to demonstrate today. It pays $4.50. I've had a quick look at it. It shouldn't take too long. What we're required to do is to take a few photos of some energy bars, answer a couple of questions, 9 in total. You pay $4.50. So what I'll do, I'll click on the accept this spot. We've got 2 hours to complete, so I'll click yes. Okay, you see the countdown timer there, and then from there I will go to this one. I'll accept this spot. And we're good to go on that. Okay, so now we have 2 assignments, and I'll show you how quickly we can do this. And we'll make $9 doing it. Alright, I'll just drive there, and I'll start recording again when I'm in the store. Okay, so I've just rolled up to the shops. I'll go inside. I will take my phone obviously with me. One thing you do need. Try and record the screen and see how we go. This one's to do with sports bars. Shouldn't take too long if there's any product at all, because we are in the coronavirus crazy period where people are just going out to the shops, stripping the shelves bare. So there might not even be any left. We'll check it out anyway. Let's go.
Yeah, man. Yeah, like a health food aisle where like stuff.
Nah. If you're what are you after specifically?
I like protein bars,
Yeah.
like protein.
That will put protein bars and stuff in.
Yeah.
Other than that, we've got like gluten-free stuff in the pasta section and all that sort of thing. Yeah, it's not really like we don't really have like a specific section with all of them,
right.
which would be helpful, but it's too small.
Yeah.
Hopefully in the new store.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Sorry, mate. No, you're alright, man.
Okay, just read through that. Take an overall picture of the area, the bay that they keep they're supposed to keep the protein bars. Another picture there. Right, just answer the question. There's only one bay for the protein bars. As you can see, there is just a couple there. Not of Body Science, though, an opposition brand. So there was none in stock. Click no there. BSC not available, and OK. Scroll down, take another picture. Once again, where the BSC clean bars should be, but of course they're not, so we tick no. BSC not available. Then submit. Oh, first I'll just make a note just to let them know that I did check with the workers there and they confirmed that it wasn't in stock. This isn't essential, but I did it nonetheless just so they know. Click submit this spot, and that's it. It's uploading the photos and the comments, and that's how easy it is. Now, going through the actual survey part, look, I didn't time it, but that was 2 minutes perhaps. So on to the next store. Hey guys, I just got back and I think it went really well. So I did 2 assignments, and as you could see in the screen display, each job probably took me about 5 minutes to go in, capture what needed to be done, get out, make my way back. So 5 minutes in and out. It even took me only about 10 minutes to go from one store to the next. All up, what, under half an hour of work for $9. So that's $18 an hour. Not great money, but as a side hustle, it's okay. And the good thing about this app is you can do it on the way home from work. Say you're passing an assignment, just stop off, go inside, and it might take you 5 minutes, and you'll earn between normally $3 up to $10. Some of the big assignments may pay $20, but it's not bad just for dropping in on the way home. And in this case, it's just your local shops. So if you're going shopping anyway and you're in the store, why not just click on the app and do a quick assignment? And really, you're not wasting any time, and you just get that little bit of extra money. So in review, I made $9. I was happy with that, and I recommend this app. I really do. It's a good little app to make some cash, and I know it's here in Australia in every state, but also overseas as well. I know they're overseas. Just check your app store, and even if there's not Smart Spotter, there may be an app that's similar. So try it out. All right, so this week's goals as far as viewership and what's that one I want? Subscribers. So this week the goals for viewing and subscribers. All right, let's go for another subscriber. Let's get that number out to 3, and let's go 15 views. Shoot for the stars. 15 views, 1 subscriber. Next week, I'm going to do another side hustle. I'll demonstrate that. It's another one that you probably have never seen on YouTube. It's unique, and I reckon I've done it before, and I'll show you how to do it. It can pay well. I've heard of cases, read in the news of cases where people have earned up to $18,000 a year and more just for noticing particular utilities. Let's just say that as a hint. And it only literally takes a minute to fill in a form online, and yeah, you can make some pretty good cash on the side. So I'll review that, I'll give it a go, and I'll see how it turns out. So look out for that next week, and please, once again, as you know, like, subscribe, comment, all that other stuff. I appreciate any support. Cheers. Have a good one.